Hello everyone, this is another video/tutorial on using the app EP Diagram. EP Diagram is used for creating ECG ladder diagrams and is available for Mac and iPad on the Apple App Store. In the last video I uploaded, I covered some basic diagram editing functions and I recommend you watch that video first if you haven't already. I'll link it below. Today we'll look at some of the more complex editing functions that I didn't cover in the last video. Here you see an ECG showing atrial fibrillation, and I've marked each QRS complex in the ventricular region of the ladder. But how to deal with the atrial activity in the atrial region? Ladder diagrams aren't traditionally very good at diagramming atrial fibrillation. Well, let's enter edit mode by clicking on the edit button. Now let's select the atrial region by clicking on it. We'll then tap with two fingers on the trackpad and select the rhythm option. Oops, well, as you can see, in order to add a rhythm, we have to first calibrate the diagram, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we'll leave edit mode. Now we'll calibrate the ECG to 1000 milliseconds. Okay, now let's go back and try that again. Okay, now we can look at the options we have available to create a rhythm. First, let's just add a regular rhythm with a cycle length of 600 milliseconds. Okay, that was easy. But of course, that's not what we want. Let's go back. And let's select a fibrillation rhythm. With fibrillation, the rhythm cycle length is random, and we can set maximum and minimum cycle lengths with these sliders. So let's take a look at that. That looks more like atrial fibrillation. However, one of the features of atrial fibrillation is the varying conduction times through the atrium. Let's try randomizing the conduction time of the impulses in the atrial region. Another feature of atrial fibrillation is that the impulse origin is not fixed. Let's simulate that. Finally, let's randomize the direction of conduction too. Okay, that's pretty chaotic. Okay, let's leave edit mode and use the connect feature to show conduction through the AV node, as well as some blocked impulses. Well, you get the idea. So as you can see, you can add fibrillation or regular rhythms to whole regions, and you can also add rhythms to limited zones that you select in edit mode. There are more features of EP Diagram that I'll be presenting in upcoming videos, so thanks for watching.